Basta Batas.
Basta Batas.
Basta Batas.
How can we assure the public, the listening public, our mga kabatas po natin, na ang National Kidney and Transplant Institute hindi po involved dun po sa mga illegal trade na ganitong bentahan po ng bato?
Well, we have very stringent processes. For example, we will investigate and verify and validate lahat po ng documents na isasubmit sa atin. Meron po tayong psychiatric evaluation of the kidney donor and recipient. Itatanong po doon, bakit mo gusto mag-donate? Ano ang motibo mo? Di mo naman kamag-anak ito. Bakit ka gusto mag-donate? So we try to go into their social and psychiatric status to see bakit talaga sila. Do they understand yung procedure na gagawin sa kanila? And then also we have our Hospital Transplant Ethics Committee. Our Transplant Ethics Committee is headed by no less than former Secretary of our Department of Social Welfare and Development, Sec. Cora Alma de Leon. She leads a team. Meron hong abogado, meron hong priest, meron head of our social service, meron hong sociologist. Ini-interview po nila yung ating potential donor and recipient. Titingnan nila, they will verify again the circumstances kung bakit magdo-donate. And then, we will also investigate. Kung empleyado ka, we will look for documents. Are you paying their PhilHealth? Are you paying their SSS? What is our proof na talagang empleyado mo siya? We will go there, talk to the employer. So, masigasig po ang investigation. But, you know, when people really have a malintention, lahat yan, baka pwede pa nila i-fake. So, it's really, you know, we tell our recipients, be very careful. Don't get donors na hindi nyo kakilala. Kailangan may social or emotional relationship. Kasi baka kukunin nyo yan, ang daming ipapromise, tatakbuhan lang kayo, mawawala rin sa'yo. So we tell them, do not go to these donors who offer something to you. Mas lalo na yung mga third party na that's very, very bad. We say, bawal yan. So we try to advise them very well, educate them very well, and try to be very stringent po sa ating mga proseso. So hopefully, we will decrease the chances of that kind of transaction po here at NKTI.
Basta Batas.
Basta Batas.
Basta Batas.